So I'm going to be releasing all of my building sounds. So this is the desert. It doesn't need an explanation, so hit someone and then waits. Might take a bit for me to hit someone, so that guy speed hopping? No, he's just a bit speedy. Speedy even though. He's speed, he fast. But this is a bit of a lag spike first time you hit someone, so let's build it. Don't go spam with this. Don't find penal easily. They go. What's in time? Cool. So yeah, this place great building sounds. Sounds amazing. Really rough when you hit someone multiple times. Oh, really? Cool. So it takes me a bit to change resource packs, so I'll just leave this life out. You're fucking dead, mate. You're dead. Boost me, boost me, boost me. Fuck, why are you shooting at him? Not short range, I can't really aim much normally. Are you just cross-teaming with me? Yeah. Yeah, okay, don't do that, don't team. Especially not with French people. You're gonna go in, no, round 2. Oh, even nice shots. We healed up all the way, I'm gonna drop you. If we fight, he's just gonna clean us up and get more healing comments. Oh, forgot to change the things. Next one in the overlays is, Boofish Gets Screaming. He releases a lot of other cool things, like nice, classic, and sorted shows. I think there's another one in the other folder, but it's like silenced folder, what the hell I call it. So I'm gonna keep my good packs. So yeah, this is, I don't even remember which one I enabled. Ah yes, Boofish Gets Screaming. Playground UHC Season 3. I don't know who you are, but you tried cleaning up my fight list last time. Maybe. One time with directive. Oh, you know what that is. Nice. This is pretty cool hit sound. I don't really know what to say, but I want to stop talking, so I'm just gonna say random noises and hope that works. So yeah, this is from Cynical Unity Season 3. Oh, meet up, let's do this. You're an elitist roster. 12 players.
Nice!
Yeah, that's it. Oh, here's already know this part, it's big epic. I like to fuck, I got shot. I'll do stuff, I'll just... Hey Nash. I know I mean backstab, I don't care. Nice, like epic, but am I gonna get the combo? Yes. Hey Nash. Frenchy boss team. Oh, chocolate lava, don't do that. I'm fucking both of these people up. I'm not actually good at Minecraft. I'm very fairy with skill level, I'm inconsistent. And he's dropping in lava. Oh god. He will be now. Should have probably pushed him for healing. I'm just gonna boost that. What's kind of the point of this? Oh, the fine mine, mate, cool. If you're out of healing, you will be. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Not my backstab. Because I'm not playing Minecraft. Ding. Oh, no. Oh, I'm just gonna get 5 seconds of resistance, and my fight's gonna be cleaned up by full diamond. And I get blocked from behind. I have cobwebs, I should use them. Still got stuck underneath me, I have like a tail. A scroll wheel.
Nice!
I'm out of healing, what are you doing? I have no nothing to kill me for. Well, I am out of healing now, so... quirky. Oh shit, he's smarter than I am. What the hell is that? This has been the longest 1v1 ever. Oh! Equal health, we shouldn't play offensive. Got killed! I got killed! Okay.
Nice!
That was a new, it's a UHC game, it's the freefall with meta scenarios. I don't really care. I come here to test a resource pack. Anyway, last one is for, I believe, Slaughterfish Fest. Yep. This is for... You'll have to find out for yourself. Do your own research. I am not free. When this will be releasing, I'll just keep it my fucking... that videos folder for 3 years. This is like falling still, probably. Hopefully even if this one bought so this would be good cost if it isn't. Still works though. So this is the, I don't even remember, so just last year. Why are you so laggy? Exactly, I guess it doesn't seem too legit actually. Pretty long hits, He might be a bit unlegitimate, you know? Illegitimate. Actually, a range got reset as pretty cool. Arms options off, so I can drop kills things easier. Oh my god. I heal 80. Everyone should. If we go for a bullfight in the Arctic arena, you just get cleaned up every time. That's how it works. The bow shape's pretty cool in this pack. Kinda loses its shape when you shoot it, but okay. I just wasn't thinking there. This dude has a PvP skill of a goat. He's trying to bow spam me, but very poorly. 2 kills, let's go. I don't see a helmet over there. No, the light is gone. Skyfight TV. Oh, battles. Legendary. He is about to be dead. I'm apparently got a kill. Oh, not my bow battle. I'm losing this fight. It's not hopeless though. I got healing. I think he does too, he just ate something. Heal that, for ears. Maybe. He's not very good at dodging this time. Jump when you take the not back. We're still gonna lose. Early charge is always better DPS. Okay, I killed him. Good fight. Good fight. That was a good fight. So how long will this life last? Probably not too long. I'm on 55 no healing. And I've probably made a few enemies. I see a fight to clean. I am now on 45 with a bit more enemies. 41, oh my god, that was a lot of blocks. That helmet, what's now, is... That's what I'm feeling, actually. I really want to build... I also want to build like a bit else more and... Oh yeah, I forgot this is a hacker. So, basically... OG name well, if you want to be like that, anyway, this last one I have to do is yeah, pretty sure. Yeah. Yeah, it's in this folder for a reason. It is ascended above the others. So it's released like the hit sounds and music's overlay. I'll combine them before I release them, because like I didn't change shit. You can separate them if you want. Target this bitch down. Oh, is me. I mean, fuck. Let's go fight. There we go. Oh, my eyes hurt. My eyes are closed. I hitting shots. I hit one. Oh, you gonna do something? One more shot to go. Aiming there. Oh fuck, I died in one hit. Okay. It's always the risk we gotta take out like 2 hearts. Might live a bow shot, might not. I did not, and I regret it a lot. Take that line, XD. Lol. Oh well. Get trolled. Get trolled. What's this? I mean, shut up. I don't give a fuck. Where's this kindness, bitch? Really, where'd he go? Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Oh, you got 10 kills, epic. Nice job. Hello? Who's shooting at me from long range? Okay, on 69, I'll let you be. Oh, who are you? Probably not on 69, I'll shoot you. Oh yeah, let's be backstab followers like that. It's like, I don't feel like it. Not like it. Try and move close to this. Oh, guys, it was. Hand. So what's getting this on? 51, okay, take it, epic. Was it end fine? You know, do you have a pro fight? Okay. That's not end fine. Oh. Zero. Don't drop now. That's funny. What I was gonna do this, I don't actually remember what this change was off the top of my head. I think it's with you. I think it's like underwater overlay, so it's clear. The world border is just bedrock texture. Skies have changed. The color map and stuff has changed, so you know, it looks better. Contains a language pack, yeah. Intro music discs. I should probably make V2. Who knows? Who knows? You must be Woo. 13. Sure, turn on, just not me. Oh, we got the kill heart. This kind of borders whole. Dodging's not the forte. Again, I don't really dodge too well either. I just kind of hope they show. That's not actually my go through. I just like, I go in battle, I just think, ah yes, time to try. I mean backstab while I shoot at this person, but they are on 11. L. But this is the thing! He's like flew, and you get my mission. Oh, I have this option, just melee. Oh, that's unfortunate for me. Fortunate for you, since you probably would have died much quicker without. And now I have 5 gats with 3 kills. I've eaten -1, well, 0 now in this life. Oh. Oh, Squioshi 25. I recognize the IGN. I'll just let them kill kindness for a bit. Why?